Hello and welcome to this little activity about finding the volume of cylinders. Now this is an extension to some of the volume stuff we've been talking about so far. And we focused a lot on prisms because they're very straightforward in terms of finding volume. Now one thing that's key for finding volume is sort of what I keep calling a core idea. And that core idea is that volume equals the base area, call it base area, times another dimension, whatever that dimension happens to be. And so when it comes to finding the volume of a rectangular, of a cylinder, like a oatmeal container or oat container, we're going to apply that idea. We need to find its base area, and then we're going to times it by a third dimension. And if we sketch out what this looks like, what a cylinder looks like, kind of looks like that right there. And its base area is going to be equal to a circle. And so that's what we have right here. This is the base area. You could use that one, or you could use that one. And then the other dimension is, in this case, height. That. All right? And so what we're going to do is calculate the volume of this in inches by doing that. So first of all, we're going to try to find the base area. We have a circle. What we'll need to do is measure how far its diameter is, and I'm going to say that the diameter there is about 5 1/4 inches, give or take. Yeah, let's go about 5 1/4 on the inches. So we have our circle, and we know that the diameter is about 5.25. We're going to ballpark that. Now, if the diameter is 5.25, so that's our diameter, that means that the radius is going to be half of that. So 5.25 divided by 2, and that is 2.625. So now in order to find the area, we will go pi r squared. And so for us, that's going to be 3.14 times 2.625 squared. So I'll take 2.625, square it, times it by 3.14, and the area ends up equaling 21.64 inches squared. So that's my base area. I know what that is. I now need to find its height. And so I'll bust out my oatmeal container again. Make the rule a little longer. Find my height, and that appears to be about 9 1/2 inches, I'd say. So our height is 9.5 inches, and so all I have to do is take my 21.64, times it by 9.5, and that equals 205.55 inches cubed. So volume is equal to that. And keep in mind, all we did to find our volume for the cylinder was to use that core idea. Base area times a third dimension. We found the base area of this, and then we found the height, multiplied them together, and there we go. We have the volume.